Kaluguran mo kabataan, inasal pantayanan, dakala po rin pengaring ini, makaranas lang credibility crisis. Karing-karelang anak. Makanyan mo naman, dakala naman din manungkulan ini, ang makaranas authority crisis, karing-karelang sasakupan. Burin ang sabihan ng credibility crisis, daka buring paniwalan din anak mo, uling mo gagawan ing sasabihan mo. Makanano mo nga sabi kay anak mo ay kami minom nung maranas mo muli kang palasing. Makanano mo nga bawal kay anak mo ay lasusugan nung number 1 kang sugarol at panehang at tsuging kasino. Makanano mo nga sabi ka rin anak mo, be responsible nung ikaw, irresponsably kang pengari. Credibility crisis. At yung meto ngay malinapit sa kanako, tutong masakit ing panamdaman. Huling panagkasan de, lalabanan de, pamakibatan de, at tatapos de rin kayang anak. Among nga naman ang daman ko, 12 years kong iba't abroad, inyang minuli ko, dako bubuldan de anak ko. Kung panang daman yung lugod da, kanako. Migabrod ko, apagawa ko lang balik. Apayari kong college. And yet, I realized, after 12 years, I lost their love and their respect. At inyang point, in mother, in going abroad, sinakripisyo ni sarili na para king pamilya na, at the expense of losing the love and respect of our children. Credibility crisis. Authority crisis. Nung ka rin, alang karapatan manungkulan. Nung imposisyon mo, ikwamyaw, king kapamiraitan. My dear friends, today in our gospel, tindang tamo, nung mga nanong Yesus, linog yaking sinagoga at tinuruya ka rin. Pigmulalan derin tao. Uling king pamanuruna, karela, tinuruyang mitnong kayupayan. Ere kalupa, triniscriba. Here is Jesus. Pagmulalan de, rin may karamdam kaya. Because He taught with authority, not like the scribes. He taught with authority. At ilang power din kayaman because of the power of love. How can you discredit and demerit a loving person? Maraming sasabi, the greatest argument in favor of the gospel is a loving and a lovable Christian. The greatest argument in favor of Jesus as a teacher is a loving and a lovable God who is made flesh and dwelt among us. God is love, and Jesus incarnated that love. Penamdaman na rin tao, inglugod ng Diyos. His word is power because may matawad siya. The power of His word, because kinayap lang. The power of His word, huling may kapagbayo lang. The word and the actions are one and the same. Jesus is one with His word. The God who is love is Jesus who is love. At aranasan na yung lugod na, kinayap lang, mipaldan na kaisipan, tinggap no rin makasalanan, pepatawaran na lang. God is love. My dear friends, de kalupa rin iskriba, uling de iskriba ang pang pariseo, ingamano da, ene kalupa ning dapat da. Their words are divorced from their life. Inyapin, atin lang credibility crisis, Atin lang authority crisis, the scribes and Pharisees, because their life is divorced from their word. Ating batas, leho de puso, leho de lugod, kaparang tao. Tutubya sa laging batas, may garal lang batas, pero leho de puso yung batas, alang lugod king pami biye-biyeda. They are brave people without the heart. Huwag tayong kulang na. Matalino na, o nangalalang puso. My dear brothers and sisters, what are the sources of authority in our life? Munang-muna, the authority that comes from God. Them pumpari, by virtue of their ordination to the sacred orders, atin lang power magmisa. Atin lang power papakumpisal, mamatawad. They have the power to preach the word of God, to heal, and to administer to the sick. Pero bali mo, in power, in authority na rin pari, makasalali yaking obispo. Because we share in the power and in the authority of the bishop. Yang migasainte kami, karing parokya, and we represent Apong Seto in our ministry because we share in His priesthood. Makanya mo naman po, we can say Mass and we can hear confession because dinira na kami upayang magmisa ang pong papakumpisal Apong Seto. Otherwise, you can take it back. Pwede na sabihin ng meto nga pari, pwede na isuspendi, hingayang pa magmisa, at hingayang pa magpakumpisal. Uling we share in the priesthood, in the fullness of the priesthood ng Apong Seto. Makanya mo naman po, yung keratamong parokya, yung authority na rin keratamong PPC, the BPC, the organization, the ministries. It is an overflow and sharing in the ministry and power of the parish priest. Nya binbas na ng kaulaga, din keratamong PPC, din keratamong BPC, ministries and organization, that you have the blessings of the parish priest. Kasi ba't siya may gobra ka, may apostolate kaging parokya without the blessing of the parish priest. May ngari kang tutumbok king hangin. Alam blessing yung gagawan mo. Magsasamais ka mo, nakaman pari, magpari-parian ka. It is very important that we connect ourselves with the ministry of our parish priest. So we share and we receive God's blessings. Nyapin po rin ang mag-solok light. That ang mangitataga movement without the blessings of the parish priest. Eta mo kararagling maniwala. Eta kararagling makatuki karela. Eta na agad-agad pakiramdaman because they do not have the blessings of the parish priest. So my dear friends, PPC, BPC, ministries and organization, let us work and do our apostolate with the blessings of our parish priest. Makanya mo naman, we take our authority from others. Baloy po, in the practice of our profession, referrals of other people makes our profession grow. Asna ng kaulaga, potang ikaw mo tiwala rin tao, rin pasyente mo, before you realize it. Hanggang alas 12 ng Beni, makapila na rin pasyente mo, rin kliyente mo, huling maniwala laki ka. Huling biyasa kang manulog, huling biyasa kang magdepensa, huling biyasa kang turo, atin lang tiwala kaya ka. Nya, in service is based on public trust and confidence. You can exercise authority in the context of trust and confidence of other people. Lalong-lalo na in the exercise of your profession. Balo mo in gagawan mo. May garal ka. You're expert in your line of expertise, in your line of profession. You will get your authority in suportada rin aliwa. In kanilang patronage is a sign that you have authority over them because they believe in your knowledge and in the exercise of your profession. Makana namang maniwala king meto nga teacher nung tuturuya urut-urut siya. Makana namang maniwala king meto nga teacher nung tuturuya from the book, paroting the book. Makana namang maniwala king meto nga doktor nung may kalaga ng pasyente na metong lasakit, may nanabaga. At kaya ka ng kampreng pasyente na mga matela with the wrong diagnosis. Makanano kang makapanungkulan if you don't have the vote of confidence of other people. Yang nga naning meto nga presidente, to those who cling to power through corruption and deceit and the silencing of dissent, know that you are on the wrong side of history. And then we gain authority from self, seniority and wisdom of age and experience. We bow our heads to the wisdom of the aged. Then kung matmata mo pakiramdaman tala, then mapatwa in a way because of their experience and because of their age, atin lang certain authority from the wisdom of their experience. Makanyan mo naman yung self-representasyon. It will gain respect and it can boost your authority. Nung ika-manager ka, nung minsan makatasalawi, nung makabarong ka, nung maka-coat and tie ka, nung magmisa yung pari, yung kanyang representasyon, king pa magmisa, yung kanyang imanan, yung kanyang susulod, nung metong kang komplek, where an attire befitting of your dignity, nung metong kang EMDC, magimalan kang masalese, nung metong kang teacher, magimalan kang masalese, because your self-representation can evoke a sense of authority and respect from your audience. Nya sana na naman itong ulan tamo, i-represent tayo, kapamilatanan ng kiratamong masalese ang pong proper apamag imana. Authority can also come from good moral life. Look who is talking. Babawal na katang managkas pero mapanagkas siya. Babawal na katang manako pero very dishonest siya. Babawal na katamong magpalat pero irresponsable siya. Kingayang pamagaral. Look who is talking. If you have a good moral life, then you can demand authority from other people. You can demand respect. You can demand obedience. Uli natin kang good moral life. And we can never put a good man down. ng Ginoong Jesucristo. Bayami daw ang Santo, ing pamilya sa kamatayan, kinuha tinabi at pepasalamat siya. Kira sa niya kanilang disipulos na kagabanyi ituangan at kananji. Iti ang kanamong katawan, amidaw para magay. Makanya mo naman kaibat nga po ng kinuhaning kalis, kasi bayo yung pepasalamat kaya, at binyuning kalis, kanilang disipulos na kagabanyi ituangan at minungkawan ito. Iti ang kalis ni kalakandaya, tindayan, bayo, at alangang tipan, amin bubu para kayo at para kayong sabdang tao. Bangkit kami pagkawaran dari kasalanan. Dapdan ini bilang kapigaganapan kanal. Ipasya tayo ng misteryo ng kasalpan.